Hi everyone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this crocheted afro puff. I used a total of 3 packets of crochet hair, and the hair that was sent to me was 100% human hair. This is what the hair looks like up close. So this looks very, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, like it's very natural, you know. This is my real hair. I decided to have leave out. Guys, I have no idea what the back looks like, I don't know, but anyway. So the hair, as you can see here, I added some water and the curls are already like it's defined, you know. If you see any red streaks, this hair was originally red, but I had to go in and dye it black because there was just a mishap with the delivery and I did not feel like having bright red hair. But anyway, this is what the hair looks like and I really love it. Maybe I should cut this, trim it a bit here. So anyways, if you want to find out how I was able to achieve this look, then continue watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Okay, so this is the braiding pattern that I used. I literally braided my hair all down and I left a little bit out on the side for my leave out. And then, yeah, I just kept it really simple. So when it comes to crochet, guys, it's very repetitive and I don't feel like I need to show you everything that I was doing because quite literally I was doing this on repeat. What I will say is that I have now mastered the best technique when it comes to crocheting, and I simply say this because 1, the hair did not and does not unravel, and that's so key, and 2, it blends in so well. Like the knot is attached to your braid, as in like your cornrow, it's attached and it does not come undone. So the way that I have found is most effective and like is the best way is to do a double knot. So crochet as normal, open the latch, put it through, and some people go underneath the braid, some people go through the cornrow. Like it depends on, I guess, like if your scalp, you know, can take it, any tension. For me, I'm okay with both. So put your needle through, open the latch, hook the hair on, close the latch, put it through, open that loop, and what you want to do is you want to twist that loop. And then you want to pull through 1 strand of hair. Once you've pulled through 1 strand, twist it again and pull through another strand and then close it. Now that obviously sounds like a mouthful, but the visual hopefully has helped you. And this is the most effective way when it comes to crocheting. You cannot feel a thing, it doesn't hurt, and the hair stays on. So if you're going to do crochet, make sure you do it this way. When it came to the back, I needed to add some length. So all I did was just shorten the crochet hair. And instead of using the hair in the middle, I decided to basically crochet it out like 1/3 of the hair. And that is literally it. I did that on repeat for the whole hair. This hair is incredible. Like it really looks like my own natural hair. I don't know why I'm shocked because this is kinky curly crochet hair, duh, but I'm quite happy with the results. Anyway, to make sure everything looked good, obviously the hair had been brushed out, so I just added some water, I brushed through the curls, and then I added some buttercream by Camilla Rose. It's in the Chebe and Black Castor Oil edition. It smells so good. I use this on my real hair as well. It helps to define the curls. But one thing that I will say is when it comes to, like, maybe this is just all hair. Like, when it comes to, like, curly hair, it loses a lot of moisture really quickly. So I'm on the hunt to find something that would help to keep the curls, like, really defined. Otherwise, I was quite happy with how it, you know, turned out. But I would definitely want to try some more products just to keep those curls, like, really popping, you know. Thank you to Hot Braids for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next one, and I will be posting a lot more on YouTube now. So yeah, thank you, bye.
First off, I'm not new to this. use it